All right, everyone, welcome back. I'm going to say at the top of the video here, usually I say it at the end, but if you ain't got nothing nice to say, then just move on past my videos. You ain't got to watch them. You don't have to, engage. You don't like it, find something you like, stop wasting everybody's time commenting. So, guess I gotta start saying that at the top of the show or at the top of the video here, so everybody can hear that because obviously we're still having trouble being adults in the comments, but you know we're gonna try to filter as many of these garbage ass people out. So, anyways, we're gonna dive into the video here. We're gonna go over a free plugin called Camel Crusher. This is what the plugin looks like. Oh, there you go. Come on, asshole. There you go. All right. This is a compressor. Crushes things. It gives it a distortion. It has a filter, the compressor, and then your master. You're in and you're out. Okay, or whatnot. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and dive in here. This is the website here. It looks pretty sketchy when you open it up. There's some other websites you can get it from, but this is the main one, CamelCrusher.com. So, anyways, that'll be down in the link where you can grab it. We're gonna go ahead and jump in here. We're gonna use everybody's favorite plugins: Drum Monkey, Bass Dragon, and MIDI Wizard. And we're gonna generate some different sounds here, and then we're gonna use the Camel Crusher on them to, you know, give it a different tone. So let's go ahead and jump over here. Let's do techno this go around. There you go. Boom. We'll leave it at let's do it at 130 though. 30. There you go. Okay. Here we go. Let's check it out. What do we got here? Oh, here you go. We'll turn off the Camel Crusher. That's what it sounds like. That Camel Crusher torches this thing, you know? You know what I mean? It's just crushing it right there. All right. So we got this little loop. We'll keep that. Whatever. All right. We'll pull this up. Let's go ahead and look at some of the options here. And you got a randomized button here too. All right. So let's check it out. Actually, that sounds just good. It sounds just fine. All right. Let's go ahead and pull up Bass Dragon and Drum Monkey here, or Bass Dragon and MIDI Wizard. All right, we're gonna link these. Anybody that's seen any of the videos that I do here, you can know that if you link these two plugins, they will interact with one another. Boom. So as you saw, when I linked them, it pulled up the same chords. Okay. So if I change the chords here, they change. If I change them here, they change. All right. So now that we got that done, we're going to go ahead and get out of MIDI Wizard. And let's go ahead and get down here to techno and melodic melodic techno. Let's open this here real quick. Come on. I don't know why it's being a pain in the ass. F minor. Okay, so they're both in F minor. Good. Let's do this. All right, let's see what this has got. All right, there you go. Sounds pretty dope. Okay, let's go. Let's go ahead and jump over here right quick and open up MIDI Wizard. Let's go ahead. Let's do some chords. Let's do some rhythms here. And let's hear what we got. All right, that sounds all right. That sounds all right. Let's go do this. Let's drag and drop the audio here. Let's put this down here. Let's just get rid of one of these and let's throw the Camel Crusher on there. Boom. Let's get rid of that guy. All right, so now we'll mute this and let's check it out. Let's hear what this sounds like. Let's go ahead and set the loop. There you go. Let's hear. There you go. That'll give it a nice kind of clean sound there. So that kind of gives a contrast with the distorted sound and the little bit of fuzz we got on the bass. So let's go ahead and hear that real quick with everything. All right. Obviously, there's a cutoff when it loops, but it, is what it is. Okay. So now let's go ahead and generate a little something different. Let's work on a melody here. Let's open that up and let's hear what we got. Actually, really doesn't sound that bad. Let's check out a couple other ones. go ahead and jump down here. We ended on clean rainbow, so let's go through some of the other presets here. All right, so there it is without any of it, you know. All right, so this is a free plugin. Like I said, it's a handy little plugin to have. It can add a lot of color to the music. It can add a lot of compression and give you some saturation and distortion. So it's a free plugin and it's super cool. It does a lot of different things, and it's, you know, for being free, it's definitely something cool to have in the arsenal. I throw it in on things every so often. It's not a daily user of mine, but definitely whenever I'm reaching for something that I want to add some saturation, distortion, or compression to, and I want something that's giving me a little bit of a different feel, this is definitely a plugin that I throw on occasionally. And like I said, it's free, so go ahead and snag it up, right? There are a bunch of links down in the description. You can get any of the Unison plugins, Drum Monkey, Bass Dragon, MIDI Wizard, any of those. There are affiliate links down there. It does give a kickback to me, which does help the channel. Also, there are other affiliate links down there. You can get your hands on all the gear and stuff that I use in my studio. All that's down there as well. All affiliate links. There's also some other stuff like WA Productions and whatnot. A bunch of different really cool stuff. Streaky Audio is down there. Go ahead and go grab some stuff from them. Courses, plugins, all kinds of stuff down there. And any of that stuff, you go buy anything, it helps support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything extra. So whenever you use those links and it kicks me back, I really appreciate it. Other than that, comment. Like I said in the beginning, comment like an adult, you know, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you dig this. Let me know if you already use this, if you're planning on using it, you know, whatnot. If you have ideas or anything for any other videos, go ahead and drop them in the comments down there. Like, subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video.